Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we'll be removing and reinstalling a turn signal switch, also known as a multifunction switch, in a 2009 Chevy Suburban. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Right, we'll take this off, just grab it and pull. Now we're gonna grab this cover. I'm gonna have two fingers over here, pull down. Grab over here with the other hand, you can slide it out. If you struggle taking this out or installing it, you can remove this. I'm just going to move the steering wheel down, so I'm going to push on that lever. Make sure, be careful of your fingers, and then slide it down like that. Then I'm going to grab the top part. Two fingers and grab over there and slide that out. So we're going to have to remove a fastener up here. It's a bolt, a Torx bolt, but we're also going to need to gain access to one behind here. So we're going to rotate the steering wheel to the left until it's almost upside down. Not quite. And we're going to gain access to that one. So we'll take that one out first. We're going to use a T25, an extension, and a ratchet. Get in there. Loosen this up. It's a little bit tight, but we're able to get it. I'm going to use a Torx driver. Just pull it out. And we'll get the top one with that same T25. Loosen that up. Pull that bolt out. We can pull this off. We're going to disconnect the electrical connectors. Pull the wires up a little bit. And disconnect this electrical connector. I'm going to use a straight pick going from the back side. Pry up on the lock right there. And pull on the connector. And that will pull out. Move this wire to the side. Disconnect this electrical connector. Just use a flat blade screwdriver. Pull that one out. And these two more. Disconnect this electrical connector. Pull that one out. And this last one. And pull that out. There we go. We're going to reconnect these electrical connectors. Click that one in. Click this gray one in here. Click this one in here, up top. And then we'll click this last one in down here. This one might be a little tricky. There's not a lot of room in here. Get it lined up and then push it on like that. And we can take this, line this back up. There's a groove on the top of this that lines up here. So if you get that on correctly, you know it's on right. And while holding this down, we can install the Torx screws. Start that one. Then we'll start this one down here. You can feel around to get it lined up with the hole correctly. We got that in. those down. I'm going to use the ratchet, just snug them up. Same with the other one. It's good and tight. Right, now we're going to put this upper cover on. I'm going to line this up with the rubber boot over here. Try to get that on. Sometimes it's a little tricky. Slide that in. I'm going to slide the cover over here. Have it lined up. And just push it down. That's good. Now we're going to adjust our steering wheel up. I'm going to slide the lower cover to the back. And try to slide the boot onto the cover where it goes in the U. And slide the cover up. And just click it in place. It's all locked in. We're going to reinstall the steering column adjuster lever. Just push it in, and you can adjust your steering wheel accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.